Thousands turned out for Fame Frequency's anniversary on Saturday night. The fully glammed high event boasts for the first time a 360-degree set with classic all-white decor featuring a custom cake and special Smirnoff mixes. The VIPs are transported live to the front of the party through two huge screens where they were able to interact throughout the show. General Manager for Broadcast Services at the RGR Gleaner Communications Group, Mrs. Claire Grant, spoke to E-Prime on the event reaching this milestone.
The experience on Saturday was really humbling, just hearing all of the things that people had to say, going across the different platforms and seeing people talk about their experiences. There is a gentleman in China that's on every week with his little baby. There's a couple from Canada, and there are people in Barbados, of course all of the people here in Jamaica. There's a particular quote that really stood out in my mind from a tweet where someone said, I really can't remember what I used to do on a Saturday night before Frequency. Yeah, it was that kind of vibe.
The impressive event was hosted by Talia with guest dancer Orville Hall and Dance Expressions, and saw 6 DJs taking fans through 4 hours of euphoria.
We have a party tonight. Watch it dance. Feel like spend some cash. What is happening? Turn up. Turn up. Turn up.
Get him, Franco.
So the club can turn on. Street vibes and champagne and Red Bull and Smirnoff. High blue popcorn roll out and light and burn off. Not nice for us as a feature. Give me one of your laugh.
Then, to top off the night, a special Smirnoff-powered performance from the king of the dancehall himself, Beenie Man, Zaga Zaga Zal.
Big up Smirnoff, oh Lord, 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 Lord. Say, well, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Watch out, go ya, Simmer. Who got the keys to my bimmer? Enough gal and gal in a bungle. Gal from Rayma, gal from Jungle, I never. Enough gal and none of them must sit jumping. I'll get to you to know for take me example. Rose is fine and new step. Brand new dance, I will have a mat. I kill you all of them. Rose is fine and new step. Brand new dance, come to teach them. The one I name Zoop. Naga pussy shocking vibe jet. I'm okay, because I'm clean every day. Clocks and my people change 3 times a day. Right out any boy, come here, money to pay. Well, I want to tell them before me go. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Fame Frequency 1-year celebration was broadcast on RETV, TVJ, One Spot Media, Fame FM, and Radio Jamaica. The event also aired live across the brand's social media platforms and trended at #1 and saw some 5,000 joining live on the party's YouTube channel. And the celebrations continue this upcoming weekend with Fame 95 FM's anniversary. Yes. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime.